Mic check one. It's your boy Freddy-hero. Xhosa Cypher's about some. Yo, look, I started from the bottom, now I'm heading to the top. The pro game is being played, rappers full of flops. Selling niggas get paid, I'm never gonna stop. Dropping dope flex on the lane, rapper smoke. I'm so east side, why you think they call me sunshine? Eat you right now, we don't have to wait for lunchtime. Road fast, no drive, those are my kind of punchlines. Make love with no love, making somebody's death sound. Session cause confusion is at the destruction. So the land be the worse than you, far from the edge. I'm the nigga running from now to the end. My EP is just based on how you feel your race. I still keep it real, I'm the Mary Jane Chase. I'm about to shine, surely you will need the shades. Niggas wanna be for they knocking on my plate. Man, I'm a civilized, still I'm in my schedule life. Hard to drop, hustling on, now it's where I utilize. Go against God, let my whole town down. Boss up.
Wow. Anybody?
Another one. X-ish si-onsundu ngiyabuza ndithi kanti sophelaphi naluthala kowethu sithina isipilo sethu kwakunje ubala inhlalo yethu intlanantlanga awukhombi unceda omnye silwa sodwa sibuyelini kwasodwa koze kubeni nabo phala legazi unina sithembile sinqandile ey'galeni ngamehlobo sijongile awukho themba lento emhlabeni luphila uxolo mihla nezolo koze kubini na unawe esibizela emkhombeni ekuphila sisinde nogunde siyibalekile inyaniso selandele ubuxoki abo basixabisa beviwa ngabasihlele kweliphina ethemba umhlaba uzele zingodi kuba siyawuyamba aphele namathemba namhlanje lonabo kanti kusasa kokufa loyele kwazebe latshona nomphini walo lonke ulutsha sifika sigqitha emhlabeni sincwada zinkonde sayolahlekana nako konke ukuqonda uThixo umase nomntwana ngakabikho nasembilini wakho umase ngaphambi kokusekwa kwehlabathi wamsikelela wamngcwalisa wathi lo uyakuba ngumprofethi wenhlanga lo uyakuphilisa isizukulwane sangomso uThixo unenjongo lomntwana yaseseswini ukuboleka wena kuba ufanelekile umniko lesapho lakho kuba lomlungelo vuyeka kuba usikelelo ngabaphezulu vuya kuba uzala unyana umbiza kuba ngusakhumzi vuya lothi ngibala ntoni na vuya kuba uyozala intombi ubiza kuba nguncabakazi thembakazi ukuphatha kokuhlela qobokazi another one
Legit, check it, I'm a speecher, punchline, okay. I'm a speecher, punchline dead from the ocean that will leave you dead frozen. If my heart was a toy, it'd be told story. I think about my personality, I don't give a fuck. I got kicked out in school in 2016 and left in 2019. I'ma keep them hell. Fuck it, I'm joking again, but I'ma keep on going because this is my thing. This is legit on the string. When, fuck it.
Yeah, Zul'Omnyama, Xhosa, I'm on the Cypher, part time, yeah. I'm in the future, nigga, fucking take a picture. What you gonna do behind my back? I got my dogs. Let's get back to the real hip-hop. Let's forget about the dip and trap. And this is my time and I'm ready to see myself on the screen. Don't ever ask how I got that deal. Many years I've been underground from 06, I was hustling. I'm here for the fight down here, I'm struggling. Peace in Kotisana, not one it's in Patiman. Boogie it's in Antoine, it's party fun. Figures in Jokolo, in Toilet fun. Nelka sing and mela, but it's young and Puma, what to who's. He ought to but for us, gay mela. Ngeke nasimela nginibambe ngesinele mase ngikhile mic khafula ngoma game yeah Zul'Omnyama
yeah they say I'm into go too much I made she keep on falling deeper and deeper. She just call me her zipper. She cannot call on a nigga. What's that playing for today, baby? Let's take it down, baby. You know when I pull up, it's showtime. Your head is on mine. Call me the creator. That shit, baby, it's on mine. Selling that shit, now we pillars. Gon' dream good on the pillar. Be on the body in peaceful. Ay, double the stack, then the key. Yo.
Yeah, check it. Hey, look, hey, check, whoa, hey, look. Hey yo, some niggas started hating when you do it for the living. We started, it was nothing, then we took it to be something. The mind was full up with cash, we always trying to get it. And niggas with 100 plans, we top up forward mission. Hold up homie, we going fast. Speed up forward success, we enough for when you check. Do it up for the fair, my nigga, till we get it. Straight up way too fast, my nigga, we gonna get it. Look, shit, whoa, yeah.
These are the words of a demon, mind of a stolen. I don't give a fuck as long as I'm chosen. I'm made of red, that's how I raise my flag. You don't have to feel me unless you wanna diss me. At least I say levers are like goddamn daydreamers. You turning in flawless rivers, you busy screaming like divas. This is what it is, set up your mind straight before I come for you. You niggas suck and fuck and niggas don't give a fuck. This is Cassie Arm and Double M and GMT and Mega Gang. This is what we all about. Where were you when I was getting kicked up in school? Getting fucked up in school. Where were you when I was fuck it, I'm joking now, bitch.
Check, boom. Hey yo, they speak a lot of words, but they got nothing on the verse. I switch, I pull up on them, now they're running out of words. They thought that I was playing, but now this shit is getting worse. And I was going red dog, cooking all the work. Boom. I started not believing, yeah, I started it was worse. Decided I'll be quiet and I just put in all the work. Yeah, it's not the second time, yeah, it's not even the first. Working overtime, nigga, we all about the work. Get money, we'll be fine, no the problem with the rest. Yeah, yeah.
Dilwa nobundlathi bokudlakazeliswa komama kunye nabantwana, dilwa nesikayika sokuhlukunyazwa kwabasithini kunye nemveku. Dilijoni kule mfazwe, ndixola kulifele lephelelizwe. Mhlola mnene lo ungeva amagqirha namaxhwele, sifo sina esi singenagqirha nasiyazi. Nyelo landini kudalo kwesha ngababhinqileyo, awuva kunjalo ungena unyonyo bangothando emzini. Wachukumisa umfazi, uchukumisa imbokodo yobumvu, wachukumisa imveko zivale ingcako zentsikelelo. Kunamhlanje nje nichukumisa imbongo buqu, niziqhwele esinobhova nesitulo. Yini namsontsundo uthela nto siqhelise nto bohlobo, wakhiwa umzi bazela abantwana kanti busabuphela ubuhlobo. Coach another
Yeah, Zul'Omnyama, Double M, Kasiyama. Yeah, okay, yeah, oh, yeah, back, yeah. Sure, bathi ngikrasha nekanja mangithasha inhlansi zokrasha uzogcwala amadala mangidala ngabhala abadala bagcwala abavumi bathi le ntwana iyahlanya mangijula ngokubhala ngiyagula abafana ngeke nangimele leli kasi lami la, yeah. Pampa nabo clever mase kufika urastaman. I got a dreadlock on my hand, bathi ngine-billion. Intwana ngiya-rapper bathi ngifuna ama-million. Double M, yeah, we coming up, check over my back niggas. I've been trapping with my niggas on my back niggas. Double M, yeah, we coming up, abasifili laba bazogcwala. Yazi abantu abakuthandi man, baqala ukukuthanda mabebona kumabona kude sebebona usuthandwa nabo baqale bakuthanda. Ngeke bangimela abafana ngijime kakhulu ngisilivile. Ngitswela abafana ngalimela le Wachombi kasi makasi uzogcwala sayidala sayiqapha bagcwala. Ngophe ngosikisi kulele lami kasi nangempela nginswela.